Next, I will show you the function of each button on the remote. After it is well installed, press D button to power on the lighting and press A button to change from the 15 solid color. You can press B button to enter the strobing pattern. Press C button to activate fading pattern. When in fading pattern, you can press and hold the B button to increase the fading speed. You can also press and hold the C button to decrease the fading speed. When in solid color mode, you can press and hold the D button for about 5 seconds to reset the pattern. When you see the red color, it means it has been reset. When you want to power off the units, you only need to press the D button. Last but not least, this kit can be fit for all motorcycles and ATVs, UTV, and even cars. Okay, that's all. Don't hesitate to buy from our store and light up your bike. That's all. Thank you. See you next time.